Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. In this video, I am going to share some tips with you all. Today's topic is how to train your mind in English. Okay, friends, as you all know, I'm also a learner. Okay? So I might be making a mistake in this video because mistakes help the learner. You will make a mistakes, okay? But one day you will be able to speak like a native speaker. Okay, friend? It doesn't matter what time you start, sooner or later. If anything is important, okay, it is a time. Okay? So don't waste your time on other things. Concentrate on your study. Okay? Mm, so without wasting our time, let's get to the topic. Listen to English. Writing in writing daily routine. Okay? If you can write in English, I would like to tell you, you are already ready to speak English. Okay? But I know you can't speak English. The problem is, okay? So, first thing, learn English slowly. Listen to short English video on any other topic. Okay? Because he will help you to learn vocabulary, grammar, and enhance your knowledge in English. Okay? Mm, when you listen to English and you don't understand a word in the middle, then pause the video and search their meaning on the Google. Google? GWGLE Google. Okay? And again, start the video again from there. Okay? Now you will understand everything what he is saying, what the topic is, the video. Okay. I hope if you follow my advice, you will see changes in your life. Okay. So if you don't take the time to practice in English, okay, you hear a lot of English, but you don't practice it at all. So you are wasting your own time. So follow my advice, go and study that. Okay, subscribe, like this video and this channel. Okay, see you for the next video.